Alright, so I just wanted to make this quick video on this printer cartridges stuff. Let me open up this one right here. Alright, so this is basically the gist of it. So this one right here came with this printer right here, OfficeJet 3830, and the other cartridge is in there. That's the black and white one. And then these two right here are the ones that I got from the Instant Ink subscription. I have 3 months free apparently right now that I got from Amazon because there was some kind of offer. So I have these two from Instant Ink, and they're supposed to be a lot bigger, as you can already tell. So just comparing the multicolor ones, you can already see the size difference. And here's the box that they ship it in right here, hpinstantink.com. And it comes with a recycling bag. So okay, I had to redo this shot because I made it way too complicated than it actually was. But basically, these two cartridges are the ones that I'm using in my printer at the moment. So once these run very low, to the point where it won't print any more of these ink, basically, I'll just put it in this bag, which is the recycling baggie that they give you. And you can go ahead and just drop it off at any USPS bin, or you could go inside and put it in a bin as well, or turn it in. But yeah, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, nothing much to it. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Here is the pamphlet if you want to read through that. And yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video because I was looking at YouTube and I was trying to find the size comparisons for the regular cartridges, which are these ones, and the Instant Ink cartridges. So now you have an idea of the size on both of them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I didn't make the video too long, and I hope you got informed by that.